Hi, this is Josie in Josie's Fun Kitchen, and I'm going to show you how I make my roasted potatoes. I'm using the baby potatoes, and I've sliced them in half, cleaned them up already. And I have my fresh rosemary, and with about 6 or 7 cloves of garlic, and I'm going to chop that up together with a little bit of kosher salt on top. So before we move on, I want to ask you to subscribe to my channel, Josie's Fun Kitchen. Turn on your notifications, please, so that you know every time I'm uploading a new video. I'm making this. This is a great side dish with steak, pork tenderloin, really anything. I'll have it on the side with a hamburger. But anyway, what we're going to do is I've lined this cookie sheet with aluminum foil, and we're going to quickly chop this up. This over to the side here. We'll take this. You can use a regular roasting pan if you want. I'm going to drizzle. I like these squeeze bottles. I have olive oil, just regular olive oil on this. Take this, I'm going to drizzle it on there, and I am going to mix this. I have cut up some fresh parsley and black pepper, kosher salt, and let's mix it all together. Oh, you know what else I can put on here? You can really put whatever you want. You could put oregano. You just want to make sure. These are always flying off around my kitchen. I like to turn these up like this so that they're facing up. Roast them that way, because then they get nice and brown. It gives me a good idea of when they're finished. All right, take this off. And I know it's last minute, but I'm going to sprinkle some Hungarian paprika on it. Let you see what this looks like when it comes out of the oven. Notice I usually like to go high here. Okay, that was it. Now, in the oven, and I'm gonna check on it in about 30 minutes. I'm gonna go get the potatoes because they're finished. Yes. Here for about 5 minutes, let them cool down. I'm taking some fresh parsley. Let's put this here so you guys can see this. Whew, let's see how hot it is. That was it. It was 30 minutes in my oven. Now remember, I had it on convection roast, so it might take you a little bit longer. It depends on your oven, but these are nice and soft when I go in. It's crispy on the outside. So there we are. Well, I should taste this, shouldn't I? Hold on. It's very hot, but I am going to taste it. We're going to go give it a taste test. While I'm letting this cool down, I'm going to ask you again, please subscribe, turn on your notifications, share with your friends. And if you have any suggestions as to what you'd like for me to make, please just leave a comment below. And I think that's it. So this is just like steaming away. Now, I personally like a lot of salt on my potatoes, but let's see if it gets yum. Yummy. The inside is really soft. It's very hot. There we go. The inside is very soft. The outside has that firm skin, which is delicious. This, I would have a salad on the side and have some sour cream and dip it in the sour cream. It's delicious. So anyway, here's my roasted potatoes with fresh rosemary. Thank you again for being in Josie's Fun Kitchen. I hope you had a fun time. Please come back and visit with me again. Until next time, see you later. Cheers.